সবিতা আবার চলে এসেছি আপনাদের সামনে আমার 33 এপিসোড নিয়ে। তো আজকে আমি না কিছু মানে মিলিমিশি একটু দেখাই, হ্যাঁ, কিছু চান্দেরি, কিছু হ্যান্ড পেন্ট, কিছু তাসার, কিছু ডুপিয়ান, কিছু সেমি তাসার, সব মিলিয়ে একটু আমার দোকানে কী কী একটু আছে একটু একটু করে আমি সব দেখাচ্ছি। তো দেখুন আপনারা, কিন্তু আমার একটা অনুরোধ রইল, যাদের পক্ষে আসা সম্ভব, দোজ হু আর এবল টু কাম টু মাই শপ, প্লিজ প্লিজ শপে আসুন। শপে আসলে জিনিসটা আপনারা ফিল করবেন, গায়ে ফেলে দেখবেন, কালারটা দেখবেন, কিনলে আপনারও স্যাটিসফ্যাকশন, আমারও ভালো লাগবে। কারণ মানে এখন না মার্কেটে এত ধরনের এত কিছু প্রলোভন আছে, তো আমিও মাঝে মাঝে একটু কনফিউজ হয়ে যাই। তো আপনারা আসলে কি মানে আমি একটু মানে কনফিডেন্ট থাকি, ইয়েস আই এম শোয়িং ইউ দ্য প্রপার থিং অ্যান্ড টেকিং দ্য প্রপার মানি ফ্রম ইউ। তো আর মাই শপ ইজ ইন সল্ট লেক, ইটস ভেরি নিয়ার টু PNB আইল্যান্ড। আর আমার অ্যাড্রেস হচ্ছে BA41 সল্ট লেক সেক্টর 1। ইট ইজ ভেরি ভেরি নিয়ার টু PNB অ্যান্ড পাঞ্জাব ন্যাশনাল ব্যাঙ্ক আইল্যান্ড। মাই ফোন নাম্বার ইজ 9748003083। চেষ্টা করবেন এই নাম্বারে আমাকে হোয়াটসঅ্যাপটা করতে। যাদের ভালো লাগবে প্লিজ সেন্ড মি স্ক্রিনশট, দোজ হু আর লাইকিং মাই sarees, and accordingly I will take the amount from you. I will tell you all the processes, how I take the money, and I'll courier the saree to you. So let me start with my mixed bag episode. So let me start with my saree number 1. এটা একটা ধনেখালি টাঙ্গাইলে হ্যান্ড পেন্ট, হ্যাঁ, the price is 1950. This is the saree. These are all hand wash saree, বাড়িতে ধোবেন, দুটো তারে মেলেন, দুটো তারে শাড়িটা মেলবেন, দু তারে শাড়ি কিচ্ছু হবে না। This is a home wash saree. Don't dip the saree for a long time in the detergent. This is my firm request from you. Don't do that. Just wash it and strain it, okay? This is saree number 1. This saree doesn't have any blouse piece and the price is 1950. Now I'm moving to saree number 2. This is also another hand painted saree. Pidilite color use করা হয়েছে। Fresh saree, all I'm showing you, okay? This is saree number 2. This is the palla part. The saree itself has a 4 inches border, upper and lower border, and the painting is done here. 2 line border down part and 1 line border in upper part. This saree also doesn't have any blouse piece, and the price is, and throughout the saree has been painted. This is the saree, full saree, okay? Saree number 2 and the price is 1950. Now I am moving to saree number 3. A geometrical form. This is a palla part. The saree has a wonderful border, 2-layered border with golden and black thread, and the color has been matched according to the border, okay? This is the 2.5 part is done in this way, and the rest half is done in this way. This is the kuchi part, partly pallu part. Partly part is done in this way, okay? This is also saree number 3 and the price is 1950. This is saree number 4. These are all Dhonikhali hand painted Tangail, pure 100% cotton sarees. This is saree number 2. This is the palla part. This saree also has a double layered border, thread border, black and red, and the painting has, the color of the has been used according to the border. দেখুন এটা ধনেখালি টাঙ্গাইল, সুন্দর দুটো সরু সরু 1 ইঞ্চি 2 ইঞ্চি চওড়া বর্ডার রয়েছে, আর এই কালারটা ইউজ করা হয়েছে পেন্টিং এর সময়। This is the rest half of the saree. The price is 1950. শাড়িতে this saree doesn't have any blouse piece, okay? Now I am moving to saree number 5. These are, I will show you some chanderi sarees. These are all hand batik chanderi. The saree which I am wearing, I am showing you the similar piece. It's a very comfortable fabric, খুব পরে আরাম। বসন্তকাল আসছে, we are very near to বসন্তকাল, বসন্তকাল মানে স্প্রিং, তাই তো? we are very near to spring. ওয়ান্ডারফুল শাড়ি, খুব সুন্দর, ভীষণ ভালো কমফর্ট, আর হোম ওয়াশ বাড়িতে ধোবেন কারণ দিস ইজ হ্যান্ড বাটিক, ওকে? all spring colors has been used. This is the rest half. Okay, and this is the blouse piece of the saree. Wonderful border, it has a অসাধারণ একটা border আছে. This was saree number 5 and the price was 2850. This is saree number 6. This is the palla part. Midnight blue, but navy blue, you can also say navy blue color, and this is the whole body. A wonderful single border, and lower part has a double layered border. Okay, first let me show you the blouse piece. This is the blouse piece of the saree. The color is very unusual combination, and this is the rest half of the saree. Just a minute. Saree number, now I am moving to saree number 7. তো খুব সুন্দর, মানে ভীষণ সুন্দর, ভীষণ ভীষণ সুন্দর রেড। এই যে চাঁদের এই কোয়ালিটি নিয়ে কোনো কথা হবে না, হাতে পেলে বুঝতে পারবেন যে কি ভালো কোয়ালিটি, as good as silk. This is the palla part. And this is the whole, but it is সুন্দর স্কার্ট বর্ডার আছে, দেখুন। Okay, this is the blouse piece of the saree, and this is the rest of the. This is the rest of it. Okay, saree number 8. The same yellow which I am wearing, but the design is different. This is the palla part. It's a yoke portion, this is the yoke part of the saree. This is the yoke part. Okay, and this is one kind of patli pallu saree. Let me show you the blouse piece first. This is the blouse piece, having a wonderful border, and this is the rest half. It is a typical patli pallu saree. This is the kuchi part which will come in between. Yeah, this is the in between part, kuchi part. Okay, and this is the rest of the saree. This was saree number 8 and the price was 2850. Now I am moving to saree number 9. Saraswati Puja is very near. Polasher rong, polash phuler rong na, flame color. Okay, this is the palla part. देखो बाटीटा same, the design is same, only the difference is the base color, the color is different of the base. Okay, this is the blouse piece of the saree. And this is a stuff. এটার সাথে ইয়েলো ব্লাউজ পরতে পারেন, খুব ভালো লাগবে দেখতে, একটু অন্য রকম লাগবে। This was saree number 9 and the price was 2850. This is saree number 10. শপে আসুন, আরো আছে, আরো কালেকশন, I have lots of collections. Please visit my shop. This is the palla part. This is a hand batik saree, okay? The batik is resembling the lotus form. This is the blouse piece of the saree, and this is the rest half. This saree is priced 2950 because it is a broad border zari border chanderi. Due to the fabric there is a difference of ₹100. Okay, this was sari number 10 and the price was 2950 3050. Acha, this is a staple sari with gicha. এটা না উইভিংটা এইভাবে করানো হয়েছে। ওকে, দেখুন শাড়িটা একটু খুব সুন্দর দেখতে। এটা হচ্ছে পিওর গিচাতে, পাল্লু ইজ ইন পিওর গিচা and this is a hand painted madhubani pallu. Look at the blouse piece. এই শাড়িটার attraction হচ্ছে blouse piece and the pallu. This is the blouse piece. যখন when you wear this blouse with this base, you will look very nice. This is the base. Baseটা হচ্ছে pure staple আছে। Okay, খুব সুন্দর। When you will wear this blouse here, it will look very nice, something different. And the price is 4950. This is a pure fabric. Okay, the base is plain, only having a zari border, upper and lower zari border. And this is the palla part, and this is the blouse piece of the sari. The beauty is in the blouse piece. Okay, this is 4950. I have only 2 colors left. This is a slate, not dark black. This is slate black. Oh, খুব সুন্দর, অসাধারণ। এই দেখুন, this is the palla part. Okay, this is the blouse piece. Pure gicha, blouse piece and palla is in pure tussar gicha. Okay, and this is the blouse sari having a 3 inches border, zari border, upper and lower zari border. The sari is very simple, smart. The blouse will highlight this sari. Okay, this is also priced 4950. Now I am moving to sari number 13. This is a semi tassar sari. The sari is designed with cut work. Semi tassar sari is very famous in my shop. I got very good response in my initial episode. This is the blouse palla part. Look, these are all cut work. Okay, very nicely done. This is the palla part. This is the blouse piece having a self texture. Okay, and this is the rest half of the sari. Yeah, peach in color, peach pink. This was sari number 13 and the price was 3950. This is another cut work semi tassar. A beige, chiku color. This is the beige, it's chiku color, light chiku color. Sorry, this is a beige color sari and the cut work is done with chiku color thread. Wonderfully done, bhishon neat work. Okay, and this is the blouse piece of the sari. Let me show the blouse piece. This is the blouse piece of the sari. This was sari number 14 and the price was 3600. Now I am moving to sari number 15. This is also semi tassar sari. Very light in weight. This is the palla part. There is self print has been done inside. Okay, this is the upper border and this design is done in the lower border, and there is and the whole body is stitched with a designed with a machine embroidery work. The whole sari is designed with a machine embroidery work. Okay, and this is the blouse piece of the sari. This sari is priced 3300. I am showing you two colors. One is Firozi blue I have shown you, and the number 16 is rust in color. The price is 3300. Oh my God. Look, আমি একটু দেখিয়ে দেব। Anyway, sari শাড়ির ফল খুব ভালো। This is the palla part and this is the sari. This is the blouse piece of the sari. Okay, this is the sari. Okay. The price is 3300. This is sari number 16. Now I want to show you some dupion, pure raw silk dupion. This is sari number 17 and the price is 6400. This is price 6400. This is a dupion and tussar woven sari. This is the palla part. Okay, sari number 17 and the price is 6400. This is the palla part and this is the whole sari. Look, this part is tussar and this is dupion. Tussar dupion, tussar dupion. This style is woven. Okay, and this is the blouse piece of the sari. The blouse piece is in dupion silk. The whole sari, rest half is in designed in this way. Pure traditional sari and the price is 6400. Now I am moving to sari number 18 and the price is 5900. Regarding this design, I will show you two colors. One is this called, in Bengali we call chapa full, a golden yellow color. This is the palla part. A gicha is woven in the pallu part. Okay. This is the palla part. This is the whole sari, having a wonderful checks, and this checks is done with gicha. Okay, this is the blouse piece of the sari, and this is the rest half. The price is 5900. This is a pure dupion silk sari. Price 5900. Now I am showing you another color. This is also priced 5900. You can wear this sari with a tussar blouse. You will look different. You will look nice. This is the palla part. দেখুন এটা একটা গিচা দিয়ে weave করা হয়েছে. This part is woven with gicha. Okay, and this is the whole body. Checks has been done, but the checks is not so prominent. It's very nice. Wonderful two-tone thread has been used when the checks has been done. This is the blouse piece of the sari, but I think if you wear a tussar blouse, you will look much more better. This is sari number 19 and the price was 5900. Now I am moving to sari number 20. This is priced 5400. This is priced 5400. The pallu and blouse piece is in dupion. Okay. This is the palla part. This is dupion silk. The pallu and the blouse piece is in dupion silk. Okay, and the base is pure tussar, and the wonderful booty has been done throughout the sari. Look at these booties, hand woven booty. This is priced 5400. Okay, and this is the rest half. Let me show you the rest half. This is the rest half of the sari. খুব সুন্দর, combination is very nice. Now I am moving to sari number 21. Sari number 21, this is also a tussar and dupion weave sari. Price 5400. This is the pallu part. দেখুন ডুপিয়ানে করা পাল্লুটা, pallu is weaved with dupion. The base is tussar. This checks has been done with dupion thread. Okay, this is a hand woven sari. এই চেকসটা কিন্তু hand weave করে করা হয়েছে. When you follow the border, you can understand this is a pure hand woven sari. This is one of the technique to make you understand is this a hand woven or pallu woven. This is a hand woven sari, and this is the blouse piece of the sari. This is sari number 21 and the price is 5800. Now I am moving to sari number 20. This is price 8450, 8450. This is the organic tussar. Okay, the thread is much more improved quality regarding the other one. Okay, this sari has a wonderful golden zari border in the upper part and 3 layered color in the lower border, and the beauty is in the blouse piece. This is a pure sari and the price is 8450. Now I am moving to sari number 23. This is also dupion sari and the price is 6600. খুব সুন্দর, এটা তসর ব্লাউজ দিয়ে পরুন, খুব ভালো লাগবে দেখতে, ভীষণ সুন্দর লাগবে. I am confident regarding this sari. This is the palla part. These designs are done with gicha. Okay, tussar has been used to highlight the sari. This is the whole sari. This is the blouse piece, but I think if wear a tussar blouse, okay, you will look very pretty and smart, as good as smart also. This is the rest half of the sari. Okay, the price is 6600. Now I am moving to sari number 24. This is a silk sari and cut work has been done. Sari number 24. The price is 5500. Tataler kaj. The sari has been burnt and this stitch has been done. It is tataler work. We said tatal work in Bengali. Okay. The whole sari is designed in this way. This is the palla part. This is the whole sari. And this is the rest half of the sari. The price is 5500. And this is the blouse piece. I will ask my cameraman to show the blouse border of the blouse piece. Now I am moving to sari number 25. This is also silk sari and this is done the sari number 24. The work has been done with hand and this is a machine embroidery sari. This is also priced 5500. This is the palla part. And this the whole sari has buttas throughout the sari. Done. And this is the rest half of the sari. The price is 5500. Now I am moving to sari number 26. This is a half tussar sari. Friends, in Monday I will show 46 pieces of sarees in CTVN channel. You can see that also. It will be shown at 11 o'clock in CTVN Plus channel. This half tasar sari is from Fulia. This is not Dhonekhali. This sari is not from Dhonekhali. This sari has a blouse piece of its own. Okay. This is priced 4500. This is the blouse piece of the sari. Friends, please follow my CTVN channel on Monday 25th January at 11 o'clock. You can see there many saris, 45 pieces saris. This is sari number 26 and the price is 4500. Now I am moving to sari number 27. This is a tussar sari. This is also a tatal work sari and the price is 6600. This is a hand work sari. This is the pallu part, tie and dye, golden yellow and rani. This is the palla part. This is the whole sari. This is the blouse piece of the sari. Okay, and this is the rest half. Friends, today I have shown you 27 pieces of saris. Some are cottons, some are chanderi, this type of chanderi, some are dupian, some are tussar, some are semi tussar, silks and all these things. Friends, those who are liking my saris, please send me the screenshot. And if you have any problem, let me know. From my part, I will try my level best to make you understand. If there is any problem. And one request, on Monday on 25th January, I will show saris in CTVN channel. Please follow that also. It will be shown at 11 o'clock. And my shop is in Salt Lake, BA41. It's very near to PNB Island and quite near to Hatko More also. So please friends, within Kolkata and around Kolkata, please visit my shop. So let me finish my episode today. Thank you very much.